Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again, student, with the new topic, which is rounding of numbers to the nearest thousands. And the second one is rounding of numbers to the nearest 10,000. So there are two topics that we're going to cover today, right? Rounding of. Okay, let's revise. I'm sure I have told you last year in year 4, round of numbers. Round of numbers mean estimate or approximate. Okay, estimate mean menganggarkan nombor itu atau tani estimation. Estimate artinya tani estimate the number, okay, to the nearest thousand atau to the nearest 10,000. Okay. Right, so this is the symbol for round off. Okay, symbol ombak, macam ombak equalnya. Okay, how do you round off to the nearest thousand? Let's see. First step, do you still remember kalau tadi round off? I used to show you the word staple, the digit thousand. Okay, first, this is the number, contoh nombornya 4,582. So first of all, we have to find the nearest thousand. So tadi mesti cari mana value of thousand sini. Let's start dari di belakang. This is ones, tens, hundred, and digit 4 is thousand. So this is we're going to staple. Okay, and then step 2, what we're going to do next? We circle the neighbor. Still remember jirannya? After tani staple, jirannya ialah 5. Okay, jirannya ialah sebelah staple itu 5. That is 5. Okay. Next, after tani staple the 1,000, and then bulatkan neighbornya. Next step, what do you do? Third step is check the neighbor. Check the neighbor maksudnya jirannya yang kena bulatkan tadi. Tani check ya, let's see. Now, if jirannya tadi less than 5, I'm sure you still remember this. Less than 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kalau neighbornya ada nombor 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 di dalam neighbornya ni, so what do you do with the staple? Tani add 0 to digit 1,000. So we add 0 arah atas staple itu, yang tadi staple itu. If the neighbor ni dalam yang tadi bulatkan ni, if 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is more than 5, so what do you do with the stapler ni, with the 1,000 ni? You add 1 to digit 1,000. You add 1 arah digit 1,000. Okay, let's check the neighbor ni. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? Neighbornya 5. So di mana kedudukan 5 tu? More, is it less than or more than? Yes, it is more than. Ada arah more than 5. So 5. So what should you do with the 1,000? Atas staple ni tani add 1. Okay, tani campur 1. Next step. Okay, last step. Fourth step. What should you do? You write all the number before staple and replace 0 to the neighbor. Okay, write all the number before staple. Artinya sebelum staple di kawasan yang staplean ya, di depannya. So tani add dulu. 1 plus 4 is 5. So itulah yang ada saja nombor di arah staple. Okay. Now, how about the neighbor ni, yang lain ni? Replace 0. Maksudnya gantikan neighbornya ni, yang neighbor tadi bulatkan tadi, and selebihnya di belakang ni with 0. So what do? I cancel first 3 nombor di belakang staple tu, and I replace, teacher ganti dengan 0, 0, 0. And you got nearest 1,000 is 5,000, the answer. Okay. Okay, this is the step that I'm showing you just now. Okay, first let's see, staple the digit 1000. Due to soalannya bertanya how to round off to the nearest 1000, so you have to find 1000 dulu. Jangan sekali-sekali staple yang mana saja. Staple the 1000 first. Okay, this is 1000. And then what do you do? Circle the neighbor. Neighbornya ya teacher, you have to circle selepas staple itu. That is the neighbor. Neighbornya satu saja tadi circle lah. Di tepi staple itu. Okay, di tepi 1000 itu. And then the third step, check the neighbor. Okay, check neighbornya yang tadi bulatkan. Is it more than or less than? Kalau more than, 5 is more than 5. So we add 1 arah atas staple itu. Okay. So what do you do next? Write all the number before staple. Artinya tulis nombor yang sebelum staple, yang ada kawasan sebelum staple ni. Yang didapat ni lah tu. So we add first 1 plus 4. We got 5. And then what happened to the belakang staple tu? Belakang nombor 1000 tu. Selepas 1000 tu, we cancel semua termasuk neighbornya tu. And then we replace with 0. So you got 5000. Okay, 5000. That is the answer. Okay, let's try round off to the nearest 1000. Let's try using the 4 steps just now. Okay, first of all, step 1, siapa still remember? Yes, we staple the 1000. So let's cari where is the 1000. 1, tens, 100, and 1000. So this is the 1000 that we're going to staple. Second step, apa tadi buat? We circle the neighbor selepas sebelah staple itu. That is the neighbor. Neighbornya tadi circle satu saja, 6. Okay, sebelahnya. So what happened next? Third step, we check the neighbor. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? So 6 more than 5 or less than 5? Yes, 6 adalah kedudukan more than 5. Jadinya what should we do arah stapler? We plus 1 di atasnya. Okay. The fourth step, apa tadi buat? We add the staple itu with the plus 1. So 1 plus 8 is 9, right? And di depannya still 1. So we take 19. So you got 19. And what happened to di belakang staple ni? Nombor-nombor di belakang staple. So you cancel 3 tu and you replace with 0, 0, 0. And you got 19,000. Okay, you understand? Okay, let's try another one. Let's see whether you understand or not. Nearest 1000. Okay, what should you do? First step, cari 1000 and staple. Let's find from ones, tens, hundreds, and 1000. So we want nearest 1000 kan? So we staple arah 1000. So what do you do next? Circle the neighbor. Step 2. Circle the neighbornya ialah 2. Okay, check the neighbor. Step 3. Check the neighbor. 2 ni, mana kedudukannya? Is it less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So what should you do with the stapler? Di atas stapler tadi, tadi taruh plus 0. Pasal dia kurang dari 5, 2 ni. Jirannya ni kurang dari 2. So, what do you do? The step 4, we add the stapler. 0 plus 7 is 7. And di depannya still 6. So, you got 67 dulu. Next step, what should you do yang di belakang sekali? Jangan lupa belakang sekali ni. What should you do? Always cancel. Yeah. Cancel, cancel, cancel. And we replace with 0, 0, 0. And you got 67,000. Okay. Alright. Let's try the bigger number. This is 239,821. Round off to the nearest 1000. Okay. Let's see step 1, find the thousand and staple. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So is this the thousand? Yes, so you staple. Step 1. Step 2, what should you do? Check for no, not check, circle the neighbor. Where is the neighbor? Is it 3 or 8? Yes, it's 8. Okay, sebelah staple nya 8 is the neighbor. We circle. Okay, next step, check the neighbor. Check the neighbor. Neighbornya, is it more than, less than 5 or more than 5? Neighbornya, let's check. Can you tell me? Yes, 8 is more than 5. So what should you do with the stapler? You add 1 atas stapler tu. Okay, arah nearest thousand. Okay, next we add step 4. We add 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. But we cannot put 10 taruh selajur 10. We cannot. So what do you do? Tanya campur macam biasa. 1 plus 9 is 10. So we put 0 di bawahnya dulu. And where should we put 1? Yes, tanya campur lagi. We add 2 the next digit di depannya. So 1 plus 3 is, okay, 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, so apabila ia lebih dari 10, so you add 1, 0 tanda taruh di bawah dulu, and you add 1 then to the next digit sebelah 9 atau sebelah 1000 atau di depannya. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and 2 nadadangannya mencampur, so you still 2. So you got 240 now. Next step, replace apa neighbornya belakangan ni. Cancel dia, cancel sebelah staple tu, and you replace with 0, 0, 0, and the answer is 240,000. That is the answer when you go to the nearest thousand. Okay, so that is about nearest thousand. Next, let's go to the nearest 10,000. How to round off to the nearest 10,000. Let's see. The step is still the same. Sama 4 step tadi tani gunakan. Let's see this question. 33,964. This is the number we're going to round off. Round off apa? Nearest 10,000. First, staple the digit 10,000. Let's see. Let's name it. Let's find it. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. So this is the digit that we're going to stapler. 10,000 10,000. Tadi 1,000 1,000 di sini. Kalau yang mau tahu nearest 1,000, staple arah 1,000. Kalau yang mau nearest 10,000, you staple arah 10,000. Okay, next step, you circle the neighbor. Mana neighbornya? Is it 3 or 9? Yes, dekat dengan stapler. So 3 is the neighbor. Okay, circle the neighbor. Third step, you check the neighbor. Check macam tadi. 3 ni, neighbornya ni, is it more than less than 5 or more than 5? 3. Where is it? Anybody? Yes, it is less than 5. Kurang dari 5. So, what should you do kalau kurang dari 5 neighbornya? So, you add 0 arah atas stapler. Okay. So, 0 plus 3, step 4. Write all the number before staple. So, ini sebelum staple. So, we add dulu 0 plus 3 is 3. So, oleh kerana 3 ganya yang arah staple itu, so you put 3 lah. Alright. And then replace 0 to the neighbor. Okay, macam biasa. Yang belakangnya ni, belakang staple-nya ni, cancel. Ya. We cancel all. And we replace dengan how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you replace with 4 zeros. And you put here. And the answer is 30,000. Right? Okay, let's try to round off the nearest 10,000. Can we try? Okay, first step, we find nearest 10,000. Let's find it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 7 is the 10,000. So we staple. Next step, circle the neighbor. Circle the neighbor is sebelah staple 6. So 6 is the neighbor. Next step, check the neighbor. Check neighbornya again. 6 di mana? Is it less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, this one you should remember when you check the neighbor. Kalau more than 5, ini nombornya. Kalau less than 5, bermula dari 0 sampai 4. So 6 is more than 5. Yes. And what should you do with the stapler? You add 1 di atas 5 atau add di atas stapler atau 7. So now we add 1 plus 7 is 8 and 1 is still the same. So you got 18, isn't it? Di depannya, depan stapler, sebelum stapler tu 18. And what happened to the rest of the number lepas staple? Selepas staple, so we cancel all of them selepas staple and we replace with 0, 0, 0, 0. And your answer will be 180,000. This is the answer when you go to nearest 10,000. Alright? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Can anybody try? This is the number 9,095,123. Anybody want to try? Yes, first, what should you do? You find the 10,000. Let's start with ones, tens, 100, 1,000, and 10,000. This is the digit that we're going to staple. Next step is circle the neighbor. Circle the neighbor. Where is the neighbor? Is it 5 or 0? Yes, 5 is the neighbor. Very good. Okay, check step 3. Check the neighbor. Check the neighbor. Yang tadi bulatkan ni, is it less than 5 or more than 5? 5. Let's look at for 5. Yes, 5 adalah more than 5. So what should you do? You add 1 di atas staple tadi. Okay. Next step, you write all the number before staple ni. Okay, sebelum staple ni tadi buat nombornya 10 kali sini. Tetapi tadi mesti campur dulu. So you start with 1 plus 9. Berapa? Yes, 10. So kalau 10, what should you do? Kalau ya 10, what should you do? Yes, you put 0 here. And satu lagi, we move to the next digit. We add the next digit di depannya. So 1 plus 0 is 1. And 9, nadakan dicampur. You bring down 9. So you got 910. How about the rest of the digit di belakang sekali? Selepas staple, so you cancel the after you round off and replace with how many 0? Yes, 4 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And the answer now is 9,100,000. That is nearest 10,000. Okay, let's see the last one. Last question. Let's see. Let's find step 1, nearest 10,000. So from ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. This is the 10,000. What happened next? Circle the neighbor. Step 2. 4. Let's check the 4. Is it less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So what do you do with the stepper? You add 0. Okay, the fourth step, you add all the in the stepper. So 0 plus 6 is 6, and di depannya it's still 3, so 36. How about the rest of the number yang belakang sekali? You cancel, and you replace with 0, 0, 0, 0, and you got 360,000, and that is the nearest 10,000. Okay, I hope you understand what we learned today, and let's move on to the activity. Thank you.